Okay, hi everyone. I'm going to just show this demonstration about this system called Easily. If you are a customer of Little Big Secretary Services or A1 Accounting Private Limited, you know us from our website ACRA-registered.com and SingaporeSecretaryServices.com. We've actually tied up with this vendor called Easily Private Limited. They will be actually digitizing our client documents and uploading it onto their system. So we are working with them to also improve their processes, and this is actually sort of like a beta system, the initial system that we are offering to all our clients. And if let's say you're a client of ours, we are actually not charging you for digitizing the documents, and we're not charging you for this cost. The cost of onboarding the clients onto this system will be borne by us. So we will not be charging the clients. You will just be getting this system for free. Okay, what you need to do is that we will actually be contacting you individually to ask you whether you are keen on this system. But generally, I would say that if you are active, or if you are active director, then you should be keen on this system because it makes your life a lot easier. It's actually more troublesome for us to scan everything in, but we're okay with it. I'm going to use this demo account, so please don't log in with this. Okay, this is my own demo account. We will actually send you an account, so we'll send you your login details through your email. So if let's say we'll confirm with you the email, and then the email that you provided us will actually send you your login details. You can actually go in to reset your password. So the password is actually here. When you click my account, you can actually change your password. You can also log out. Okay, what it shows is that this is your company dashboard. So it shows your AGM deadline. So this is your annual general meeting deadline. It shows your annual return date, your ECI deadline, and your Form CS deadline. Okay, so these are the things that you will require to adhere to when it comes to running a company. So a lot of people say, I don't know when are all my deadlines, what do I have to do? If you don't know what's AGM, you don't know what's annual return, you don't know what's ECI, you don't know what's Form CS or C, right? You can always look at our videos, and then we'll be putting out more videos to guide you on that. So all your company details are here: your company name, UE number, your financial year and date of incorporation, registered address, and nature of business. Your company secretary details will be here. This is just for placeholder. So the person in charge of your company, the company secretary, is here. So his name and contact number is here. If your current financial year is ended, right, the system will actually send you an email to remind you to hold your AGM. So periodically, right, I would believe that we'll be setting periodic reminders, which means that once your deadline is about to be up, we'll remind you. Then once your deadline is up, we'll remind you. And then when in the period of, in the period of where you are supposed to hold your AGM, right, we'll keep reminding you so that you try not to miss your AGM. Okay, and then we'll be scanning all the documents. So if whatever physical documents that our clients have for A1 Accounting Private Limited and Little Big Secretary Services Private Limited, we'll actually be digitizing all the documents. So you'll see most probably there'll be a document holder here, then all the company documents will be here. But these are the important key documents. So your latest business profile, which we have for your company, you can actually click here and view. You can actually download it and print it out. Your company constitution is here as well. So we'll be adding register of members, register of directors, and register of secretaries on this page. You can see all the information, and you can retrieve them through the click of a button. These are the officers, and these are the information that we will retrieve. This is the information that we will retrieve from ACRA itself. So you can see the officer's name, title, citizenship, email, contact number, and address. Anything is wrong, right, please inform your secretary. This is a shareholding. So the shareholding, you have your total paid up capital here. The shareholding is here. Register of controllers, which means that anybody who has 25% shares or more. You can see, like, for example, this example here showing Ken Lim having 3,000 Singapore dollars paid up capital. You can click and retrieve the digital share certificate. Since Singapore has move towards a digital age, right? In essence, whenever you stamp any documents, all your stamping documents are actually all digital. So our share certificates, we actually upload the digital copy here. Okay, so if there isn't the share certificate created yet, right, it will not show this share certificate. So this person, we still have to produce a share certificate for him. Okay, then this is a timeline. If you requested for anything to be done, right, we'll actually do it. Then once it's filed, right, this is the timeline. So moving forward, right, we'll try our best to try to upload all the timelines. But if let's say your company has been, with us for maybe the past few years already, right, we may not be able to upload all the timelines. So moving forward, right, this timeline will be updated as of the day that you have fully onboarded onto the system. Okay, in future, you can actually click a request. So you can create a request, right? You want an appointment of new director, just click here. Then you can submit the request, and then we will adhere to it, and then we will do the necessary, and then from here, billing will be sent to you as well if there are any costs involved. Then for all the billing, right, any billing that is outstanding, it will be all put here. So all the invoices that are paid are here also. So in future for your accounts, it's easier. So we'll try our best to integrate accounting. So if maybe you are using accounting software like Xero or Wave Apps, in time to come, the vendor will actually be integrating this together. So whenever you request, like maybe you need to make any changes, and then there are officers or shareholders that require to sign any resolutions, right? Everything will be digital. So the system will actually send out the digital copy to the relevant people who need to sign the document. Then once they sign already, right, you come back into this system, and it will be filed digitally into the system. So you can see everything that's happening with your company. Okay, this is just step one. So step one is that we are onboarding all our existing clients. Step two is that we will work with the vendor to actually improve the system and see whatever other functions which we may want to add onto the system. So if you have any requests which you think that may be useful for us to help you in managing your company matters, please inform us. And yeah, so what we'll be doing is that we'll be calling everyone one by one, calling or texting everyone one by one, and then confirming with you your email. So we actually need one email address to sign up for the system, and then we'll provide you a password. Then when you go in, you please change your password. Okay, so that's all, and I'll see you guys very soon.